Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Prithvi. What do you do morning to evening? What about your daily schedule?
Yes, sir. I'm wake up in the morning.
Yeah.
I had I brush my teeth and then I have my breakfast.
Yes, sir.
After finishing my breakfast, I pack my lunch box
Okay.
and then I will wait for my bus. After coming bus, I enter onto the bus.
Hmm.
After at 9 o'clock, I'll reach my college.
Okay.
From 9:30 hours, classes will commence till
Okay.
12:30.
Okay.
At 12:30, I'll have my lunch break till 1:30.
Okay.
After that, again classes will start. My classes will finish at 4:30 evening.
Okay.
Again, I'll come back to house and then I have my snacks. After finishing snacks, I will fresh up and then I will study for some time. After finishing study, I will watch TV. After some time at 9:30, I will go to bed.
Okay. Nice. Nice talking to you. You spoke very well.